Hey guys, we're going to the park. Ganda ng weather. Gusto ko lang tong pagurin guys. Sulitin yung panahon and pagurin ko si Z para borlogs maya-maya bago dumating si Simon from work. Yan. Paglabas namin guys, garage. Garage dito. Ganyan. Pababa namin, mag-right kami, and then park na. So ayun, nag-right kami guys. Tapos, yan na. Cross lang kami, park na siya. Lapit lang namin. Here in the UK guys, you have to look to your right first before crossing the road. Right and then left. Ayan. Oops. Ito na yung park. Malapit sa amin. Malaki din to. Ito yung pinupuntahan namin lagi. Ooh. We're lucky, Z. There are some kids. There's some people. But I'm not gonna video. Hindi ko sila i-video. Isasali sa vlog for kids' privacy. Wow! The weather is good! Are we happy? Are we happy? Yes! Happy!
Fingers.
Fingers? What happened? Mwah! Nag-iinatan minsan. Fingers? Merong gate dyan. Pero dun na lang kami. Oh, there's a plane, Z! Plane! Hi! We're flying next week. At walking and running. Kung gusto mong mag-exercise, maganda dito. Yan.
Okay. Mommy.
Yes, anak ko. Plane, airplane, yeah. No more airplane. Later again. Yeah. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie. Okay. See you again later, guys. Ayan na siya. Oh, careful, yeah? Careful, please. Oh, this is too small for you. 1 second. Yan ang gusto niya. Yay! Go to the big slides. Z, go to the big slides. Come on. Come, Z. Here. Here. Go up. Oh, it's dirty. It's dirty. That's why it's dirty. Oh, what? Airplane? Yeah, airplane. Come on. Oh. Careful, anak ko, Wala na. Matagal na kaming hindi nagpunta dito, guys. Hindi na niya alam umakyat dyan sa malaking slides. 18 months, alam niya noon eh. Tsaka na kami mag-soft play, magastos. Sa Friday, may pupuntahan kaming playgroup. Yay! Oh. Don't shortcut kasi. Shortcut. Take your time.
Yes!
Uy. Yay! Yan yung field ng mga thunders, guys. Naglalaro sila tuwing hapon or sometimes ng bowling. Hi! Z! Hi, guys! Ganun. Zoren, look at the camera, anak ko. Look at the camera. Oh? Uy.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy. Shuck. Shoe. Mommy.
Yeah. Do you like it? Usus, do you like it? Nangalay ako. Masakit sa
Mommy.
legs.
Mommy. Mom. Ouch.
Calm down.
Mommy. Daddy.
Umalis na kami sa playground. Yeah. Ayan na yung anak ko. Z! We're going home, anak. This way. Ewan ko saan pupunta yung anak ko. Ang bahay namin papunta doon eh. Z! Where you going? We're going home. Come on, this way, anak ko. Oh dear. Come on. Z. Zoren. Okay, bye-bye. Yung anak ko. Come on. Let's go home, anak. It's nap time. Come on. Go to the prom now. So, ayun. Pauwi na kami. Thank you guys for watching. Ko naman, anak ko. We're going home now. It's nap time. Pagod na siya. Kusa nang lumapit sa akin. At sumampa na sa prom. Uwi na kami. If you're still watching, thank you so much, guys. And see you on the next one. Bye!